Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and payment so the purchase completes without interruption. Sign into the App Store now and add a valid payment method, card, PayPal, or carrier billing, because the store charges immediately. Once done, enable two-factor authentication for security and make sure the App Store app is updated to the latest version. This avoids unexpected errors when you proceed to search and select the item you intend to buy. You choose the specific app or in-app item and review options carefully so you don't pay for extras you don't need. Tap the price or get button, then inspect subscription tiers, free trials, and renewal rates. Pick the plan that matches your usage. Make sure to confirm the region and tax applied, and read the required permissions so you understand why the app needs access. Once configured, verify the payment method shown before moving to authentication. You finalize the purchase by authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password so the store can authorize payment securely. After confirmation, watch the download and open the app to review granted permissions and complete any in-app setup. If a subscription is involved, go to your account settings to manage renewals. If something goes wrong, first verify your payment details and region settings, then restart the store app or device. This resolves most common checkout failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.